Hey there, fellow comfort seekers. Are you tired of feeling like your home is too hot in the summer or too cold in the winter? Well, I've got some great news for you. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Mountman 18,000 BTU Mini, a game-changing air conditioner that's about to make your life a whole lot more comfortable. First off, let's talk about what makes this mini split AC so special. It has 4 flexible modes: cool, heat, dry, and fan, which means you can adapt to any season with ease. That's right, whether you're lounging around in the summer or cozying up by the fireplace in the winter, this baby's got you covered. But it doesn't just stop at modes. Oh no, this mini AC has 4 fan speeds too: low, medium, high, and auto, so you can customize your airflow to your heart's content. And if you're a light sleeper like me, you'll love the sleep mode, which blows an ultra-quiet 26 dB of air to keep you cool without disturbing your rest. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about energy efficiency? Well, fear not, friends. The Mountman 18,000 BTU Mini has got that covered too. With its eco mode, you can save up to 30% on energy costs while still enjoying top-notch cooling performance. And if you want to schedule your AC to run at a specific time, just set the timer and it'll do the rest. But what really sets this mini AC apart is its auto-maintain feature. This intelligent system ensures that your AC runs smoothly and efficiently, with self-cleaning and automatic defrost functions that keep it in top shape. No more worrying about maintenance. This baby takes care of itself. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, how big does this thing need to be? Well, let me tell you, the Mountman 18,000 BTU Mini can cool rooms up to 1,250 square feet with ease. That's right, whether you're living in a cozy apartment or a spacious house, this mini AC is perfect for any space. But here's the best part. It's not just about size. This mini split AC also offers solid climate control, thanks to its precision-engineered compressor and energy-saving operation. Plus, with advanced R32 refrigerant, you can enjoy efficient cooling in summer and reliable heating in winter, all while being eco-friendly. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is this thing worth the investment? And my answer is, absolutely. With its superior cooling performance, flexibility, and energy efficiency, this mini AC is a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home comfort. So what are you waiting for? Want to experience the ultimate in home comfort for yourself? Click the link below to check out the Mountman 18,000 BTU Mini and get ready to say goodbye to hot summer days and chilly winter nights. Trust me, your wallet and your comfort level will thank you.